All right, good Thursday afternoon. A beautiful seasonable first day of winter. It happened at 11:28, the winter solstice, and now we're in the season. Feels like it out there. Temperatures in the 40s still, but not a cloud in the sky. Live look outside there with a current reading of 47. Still a little bit below average. Should be around 51 this time of the year. And the culprit, those winds out of the northeast driving that cooler, somewhat drier air with dew points down in the mid-30s right now. Everybody pretty much in the same boat. A few spots closer to 50, like in Chesapeake, 47 in Ahoskie, 48 Newport News, 46 up in Melfa, 52 in Williamsburg, 53 Edenton, and 48 out in Virginia Beach. So here's what we're talking about for the next couple of days. The first day of winter today, pretty textbook. Temperatures where they should be, plenty of sunshine. Feels like winter. But the trend is for a warm-up starting tomorrow into the low 60s, and by Saturday, a lot of you into the 70s. But don't worry, just in time for Christmas, it does get much colder in the mid-40s come Christmas Day. High pressure to our north today, driving those winds out of the northeast, but eventually that pushes east and offshore, changes up our winds out of the south, and that's favorable for a nice warm-up here, although brief. It will be substantial. Here's how it looks on Futurecast going through the day today. Lots of sunshine continuing. Tonight, it'll be chilly, back down into the 30s, but our winds eventually change up out of the east and then out of the south to southeast, and that's going to bring in more clouds and also the risk at a few showers during the day tomorrow. So even though it's going to be warmer, upper 50s, low 60s, not the nicest day to be outside. Those showers taper off as we get into the later part of the day on Friday and in an early Saturday, and then we go a little bit farther out into the future here, and we keep our eyes on this strong cold front that'll remain out to the west through much of the day on Saturday. So these numbers you're seeing here, I think, are going to be much warmer than that 63. Maybe tack on another 10 degrees or so with those winds out of the south and partial sunshine during the day on Saturday. The front doesn't actually get here until after sunset Saturday night into early Sunday morning. As it moves through, a lot of that moisture gets wrung out over the mountains, so maybe a few isolated showers overnight into early Sunday, and then the cold temperatures build on in behind that. So 62 on Friday, 73 on Saturday. Look at the drop into Sunday. The actual daytime high from midnight to midnight going to probably be around 60 just after midnight before they start to tumble through the day on Sunday. Christmas Day itself, 45, coldest day of the next 7. 50 today, mostly sunny skies, seasonable out there with northeasterly winds at 5 to 10. Tonight down to 40, partly cloudy and not as chilly. And there's your 7-day forecast. A nice warm up into the day on Saturday at 73, but much cooler on Christmas Eve, around 50. Temperatures tumbling to 45 by the time we get to Christmas Day itself. And we could have a few light snow flurries in here early on Monday morning on Christmas Day. That'd be awesome. I'm all for it. Not going to really amount to anything, but again, middle of next week, kind of hovering around where we should be in the upper 40s and low 50s.
See, that's when it's perfect. Enough snow just to kind of set the tone.
Exactly.
Nothing to worry about.
But that drop from Saturday to Monday,
Shock to the system.
it's kind of shocking. Man, all right, Tim.
You know what else is shocking?